All right, hey, what's going on, guys? It's gonna be another short video. I had an old school Bronco brought in by the customer. He actually did all the body work and prime work himself. He just wanted me to spray it for him, so I went with shop line acrylic urethane single stage paint. The color was Ford Racing Red. It turned out to be a really cool little project. I hope you enjoy it, guys. I hope you tune in to the very end. Like always, guys, if you'd like the video, drop a comment down below, hit the like button for me, subscribe if you haven't, share this video with your friends, and as always, guys, I'll see you at the very end. I just got done getting this Bronco ready to paint. Yesterday I came in here and I applied that Sikaflex 221 in this joint right here. The customer did some tack welds on it and he wanted me to fill it. I went to some forums on Facebook and that's what a lot of people recommended. So laid it out yesterday, it lays out pretty good. Skimmed over overnight, so I'm just gonna put some epoxy and then seal over that, so we'll see how that turns out. My booth isn't very big, so the only thing I can fit in here right now is the actual Bronco body itself and the grill. So the doors and the hood are gonna have to be done at a later time because I can't fit everything in here. This is gonna be single stage paint, acrylic enamel. It is Ford Racing Red, beautiful color, very vibrant. I already sprayed the inside. I went ahead and did that separate from the body because I didn't want to have to sit here and fight, trying to climb in and out, you know, doing a coat and then having to try to get close. So I went ahead and did the inside first. But hope you guys enjoy the video. Hope y'all learned something from it. It's Sikaflex 221, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying this. Let's go ahead and get everything mixed up. wrap it up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider hitting that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you like the video. Consider subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, I highly recommend to do so. Share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad y'all tuned in to the very end, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.